Hi, I hope all of you are doing well. So, I'm gonna speak a bit about my childhood. So, as I believe most of the people know, I am from Rishikesh. Who don't know, I am from Rishikesh, and I was born and brought up here. Spent all my childhood, and I want to show you how it looks from above. So let's come and see the view. So Rishikesh has abundance of nature. All four sides are filled up with the nature, with wild animals. And in my childhood, I counted so many wild animals. And what I found interestingly, that if they feel love, if they feel space from human beings, they appreciate their presence. They never attack and they never interfere into human life. So whenever you are in Rishikesh, whenever you see any wild animal while you travel into the mountains, just chill, do not react and do not try to do anything, and they are never gonna bother you. And so let's respect the nature and let's respect all the animals. Spread love, spread compassion to human beings, to all the beings. And thank you so much for listening. Wish you all a wonderful day. Namaste.